Hello and welcome to HidePay. Today, we are going to see how to create a customization based on the customer tag. Let's go. The first thing we need to do is to click on Create Customization. In the window that opens, choose Simple Customization. In the Conditions field, choose the Customer Tag function. This function allows us to select any client containing or not containing a specific tag, and this is what we are going to choose in the second window. Now fill in all the tags you want to add. Turn on the Hide box to determine the action to take on the payment method you prefer. And now all you have to do is select through the switch on the right the payment methods you want to hide. Save, and your rule is already active. Let's confirm this on the Shopify store by checking as a regular non-VIP customer. As you can see, as a regular customer, I no longer have access to certain payment methods such as cash on delivery. Always remember that you can activate or deactivate the rule from the dashboard with a simple click. Ready to transform your checkout and empower your customers? Install HidePay from the Shopify App Store today.